What's up, everybody? Okay, so sorry for the delay. I wanted to put this up when I put it up on the gallery, this image. It'll be like the making of Forgotten, which is this doll scene. I've just got so much footage. I've got to edit the whole thing. There's a lot to go through, and I've got to try and put it in a way that actually is understandable by people. So maybe it can help a couple of people if you're new to this kind of thing, or if you're a little bit intermediate. I'm hoping that I can put it together in a way and I can explain the entire process. There's a lot of programs that's been used: ZBrush, Maya, Daz, Photoshop, uh, and so I'll try and put it in a way that can give you a nice workflow of how something like this is put together, and maybe it can help you for like future works or something. Um, and then there's also the Photoshop file, which is a ton of layers. Now, what I'm probably going to do is I'm probably going to put up all my rendered files that I used to create this. Not my Photoshop file. No, you can make your own goddamn Photoshop file. But you know, all the pictures that I used to create this image, I'll put them up, and maybe it can help somebody. You can use them as you will. Don't care. And let's hopefully get this out quite soon, and then at least it can help a couple of people. So I've just got to put together a ton of stuff, and hopefully I can do that quite soon. So the making of this, or the workflow of this, will be coming soon, and hopefully it can help a couple of you people. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye, guys.